Hello again. Now that we've explored the fundamentals of speech recognition, various methods of transcribing audio files, and even touched on some audio processing, it's time to examine modern practices and applications in this evolving field. Understanding these practices will give you insights into where technology is today and inspire you to consider how you can apply these tools in real-world scenarios. Let's start by discussing the major shift to transformer-based speech recognition models. Traditional methods, such as the Google Web Speech API, are effective but often struggle with complex and noisy audio data. This is where transformer-based models like Whisper AI come into play. Transformer models have revolutionized speech recognition by improving accuracy, context understanding, and adaptability. Unlike older models, which might struggle with accents, dialects, or background noise, transformers can process long sentences more effectively and understand the context better. This advancement makes them particularly suitable for applications where clarity and precision are essential, such as legal transcription, medical dictation, customer service automation, and more. Additionally, transformer models offer the advantage of parallel processing. This means they can process input sequences faster than sequential models like RNNs. This efficiency is crucial in scenarios where real-time processing is necessary, such as live captioning or interactive voice response systems. Transformers are undoubtedly a groundbreaking improvement in the field of speech recognition. Building on this foundation, let's explore how these modern speech recognition models are applied in today's modern world. Technology is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, often in ways we might not notice. Think of the virtual assistants nowadays. Devices like Amazon, Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Assistant have become everyday features in many households. They rely heavily on speech recognition to understand and respond to user commands. The ability to process natural language and execute tasks like setting reminders, sending messages, or controlling smart home devices demonstrates the practical use of modern speech recognition. In business, speech recognition plays a crucial role in data analysis and decision-making processes. Businesses leverage speech recognition to transcribe meetings, analyze customer calls, and extract actionable insights from vast audio data. This not only streamlines workflows but also enhances the accuracy of data-driven decisions. What about the customer service sphere? Many companies now use speech recognition in their workflows. Systems that have allowed customers to speak their responses instead of pressing buttons are becoming more sophisticated, understanding spoken language and providing more intuitive customer experiences. This not only improves satisfaction, but also reduces the workload on human agents. And how about language learning? Absolutely. Apps like Duolingo and Babbel use speech recognition to help learners practice pronunciation and receive immediate feedback. This interactive approach makes learning a new language more engaging and fun. Speech recognition also plays a critical role in voice recognition systems, where it authenticates users based on their unique vocal characteristics. This technology is increasingly adopted in security systems, banking, and even personal devices, providing a secure and convenient method of identity verification. Have you heard about sonification? This is where speech recognition enables data conversion into sound, allowing for the auditory representation of information. It's beneficial in fields like data analysis, where complex datasets can be explored and interpreted through sound, offering a unique way to perceive patterns and anomalies. In fact, sonification has even been applied in astronomy, such as the recent sonification of black hole data, providing an entirely new way to hear the universe. What about accessibility? Well, for people with disabilities, speech recognition provides significant benefits. Speech-to-text tools help people with hearing impairments participate more fully in conversations, while voice commands enable those with mobility issues to interact more efficiently with technology. Tell me honestly, have you realized how widespread speech recognition has become? And its popularity and usage continue to grow. Though it has made significant progress, it still faces many challenges. We'll briefly explore some of these in the next lesson. See you there. Even the most advanced models can struggle to recognize speech from different accents or dialects. This is particularly challenging in global applications with a diverse user base. Developers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers are enhancing models with more comprehensive datasets that include a wide range of accents and dialects, but there's still much room for improvement. Another significant challenge is handling multilingual support, especially in cases where users switch between languages mid-conversation. Speech recognition systems often struggle to seamlessly adapt to such changes, and incorporating better models to recognize multilingual speech remains an ongoing area of research. Although we've seen how noise reduction techniques can improve transcription accuracy, background noise remains a significant obstacle. Environments like busy offices, public spaces, or outdoor settings can still pose problems for speech recognition systems. Ongoing research into more sophisticated noise-canceling algorithms is essential to overcoming these hurdles. While transformers have improved context recognition, understanding the full context of a conversation is still a challenge. For example, sarcasm, idioms, or cultural references can be difficult for a machine to interpret correctly. Researchers are exploring ways to integrate more sophisticated natural language processing techniques to help machines better understand context, but this remains an area of ongoing development. As speech recognition technology becomes more omnipresent, so do privacy concerns. Devices that constantly listen for voice commands could record sensitive information, raising ethical questions about data security and user consent. Striking a balance between functionality and privacy is critical, and many companies are now incorporating stricter ethical controls and user settings to address these concerns. Additionally, the rapid emergence of new words, slang, and jargon presents a limitation for speech recognition systems. These models often require retraining to keep up with evolving language, essential for maintaining accuracy and relevance in various contexts. Alright, in our final lesson for the course, we'll explore the potential applications and improvements in speech recognition. See you then. So, what is the future of speech recognition? Looking ahead, it's incredibly promising. As technology continues to advance, we can expect improvements in the accuracy and adaptability of speech recognition systems. Consider the following trends. Multimodal interfaces. Integrating speech recognition with other input forms such as gesture or facial recognition could lead to a more intuitive and seamless user experience. Imagine a virtual assistant who listens to your voice and understands your facial expressions and gestures. Wouldn't that be impressive? Edge computing. One of the most exciting developments is the shift towards edge computing, where speech recognition processing is done closer to the user on the device itself rather than relying heavily on cloud computing. This approach significantly reduces latency, leading to faster response times, which is crucial for applications that require real-time processing. Additionally, edge computing enhances privacy by handling data locally, because sensitive information doesn't need to be transmitted to a remote server. This speeds up processing and addresses growing concerns about data security. Enhanced personalization. Future systems might be able to adapt more closely to individual users, learning their speech patterns, preferences, and emotional states to provide personalized interactions. Imagine a system that recognizes when you're stressed based on your voice and offers calming suggestions or adapts responses based on your previous interactions to feel more conversational and less robotic. How cool! Real-time translation. The dream of seamless communication across language barriers is becoming a reality as accuracy improves. This advancement could revolutionize global collaboration, allowing people who speak different languages to communicate effortlessly in real time, whether in business, travel, or personal interactions. Healthcare. Speech recognition technology is increasingly integrated into healthcare, allowing doctors and nurses to dictate notes, update patient records, or even diagnose conditions using voice commands. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. We can expect more advanced systems that understand medical terminology and context, providing real-time assistance during surgeries or emergencies. As you see, the horizon for speech recognition is vast and filled with potential. As these technologies evolve, they'll make our interactions with machines more natural and efficient and open up new possibilities in various sectors. All right, everyone, with this, our course on speech recognition ends. Remember that these tools are not just about converting speech to text. They're about enabling new ways of interacting with technology, improving accessibility, and driving innovation. As you use this skill, remember that speech recognition's potential extends far beyond what we've covered. Whether you're working in data science, business, healthcare, music, or any other field, these tools can transform how you engage with data and technology. Thank you for joining us in this course. I wish you success with speech recognition in your future projects.